Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix your iPhone camera that keeps blinking. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your iPhone camera keeps blinking. Number 1, the macro control feature is enabled. Number 2, outdated software. Or number 3, the device is struggling to choose the appropriate lens. Here's how to fix the issues. Disable macro control. To disable the macro control feature, launch the Settings app. Then select the camera option from the listed options. On the new page, locate the macro control feature. Once done, switch off the toggle next to the macro control option. Update your iPhone. First, go to the Settings app and proceed to click the General option. After that, tap the Software Update option. If a new version is available, click the Update Now button. If this doesn't work, lock the camera. If your iPhone is struggling to choose the appropriate lens, the camera may blink. To fix this, launch the Settings app. Then choose the Camera option, followed by the Record Video option. Next to the Lock Camera option, click the toggle to turn it on. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your iPhone camera that keeps blinking. Thanks for watching. Till next time.